Finally, the word is hope. And it is the Jubilee year of hope. What a beautiful celebration of our 22nd anniversary in this Jubilee year of hope that was decreed by our late Holy Father, Pope Francis. And if you look at the bull of indiction of the Jubilee of Hope, spes non confundit, which means hope does not disappoint. The Holy Father points out there that we are pilgrims of hope. We're always in a pilgrimage, and the end point would be our hope for eternal life. That is our goal, and that is what we want to attain. In our gospel today, as we read this gospel always during our anniversary, we are invited to contemplate on this high priestly prayer of Jesus. And that high priestly prayer is the hope for unity. No? This is actually the motto of our diocese. In Latin, ut unum sin. The prayer of Jesus is that His disciples may be one, that they may be one as the Father and the Son are one. We can even add, as the Father, Son, and Spirit are one, the triune God. And that's always what we want, that there will be unity in the family, unity in any form of relationship, in our parish communities, unity in the diocese. The Second Plenary Council of the Philippines tells us what this unity means. It is unity in diversity. Pagkakaisa sa gitna ng pagkakaiba. Kaya, yan naman salamin po yan ng Santissima Trinidad. And siguro finally, if you try to reflect on, we hope for our silver, our 25th year that will be in 2028. Ang bilis po ng panahon, di ba? No? Imagine, magsi-silver anniversary na po ang Diocese of Pasig. And when we look forward to our silver, we see more and more how indeed we can just marvel at the many graces God has bestowed on us and the manifold graces we will continually receive.